Okay, so you do the derivative, and that doesn't end up being difficult. That derivative, dy dx, is just negative x over y. That's no big deal. Then you go to do the second derivative, and your second derivative has a first derivative in it, just like we said it would. But even if you get that, so the second derivative, after you do all the work, it ends up being this. Okay, and that will be easy. It's a simple quotient rule. Low D high, high D low, draw the line square below. Then, like I said, this has a derivative in it, so we're going to replace it with this and simplify. Well, even if you do all that right and you feel like a rock star, after you replace it and simplify, you end up with this. And I know I skipped steps, but I think you can do that. You end up with this. And you think you're a rock star, but that's still not their answer. Their answer has like a random 4 in it. And that does happen on the AP exam. What you got to do is you look at all their choices. You're like, what in the world? Well, here's a hint right here. If you can come up with an x squared plus y squared, you can replace it with a 4. Can I get an x squared plus y squared in here? If I factor out a negative 1 times y squared plus x squared, is that equivalent so far?
Yeah.
And now I can replace this guy with a 4. So you get a final answer of negative 4 over y cubed. Now, would you have thought to do that? No. But here's the deal. If this was an AP question, they would say, rewrite it using the derivative and the original function. I think they would give you a little bit more of a hint on that. So if you got this far, you're good. But hopefully now that you see it, you can see how they got this. Crazy trickery.